can cook too. And today we'll be making our favourite broccoli bake.
Begin, preheat your oven to the highest heat. First, chop some cabbage. Place them in a large oven dish.
Then add 1 head of chopped broccoli. Spread it evenly all over the cabbage pieces.
Then add 1 whole chopped pepper. Sprinkle, sprinkle, twinkle, twinkle.
Now put the dish to one side.
Then chop some mushrooms into thick slices.
Chop 2 medium-sized onions into thick chunks. Scatter them all over the vegetables.
Now season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
And 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
Followed by 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning.
And season it evenly all over the vegetables. Now for the fun bit. Mix all the vegetables with 2 milk spoons. Now it's time to cover the dish with cooking foil.
Secure the edges nice and tightly.
Bake in the oven for 40 minutes. And remove the foil and sprinkle over 1/2 cup of grated cheese.
After a final 10 minutes of baking,
Our broccoli bake is ready.
You're gonna love our broccoli bake.